Let's take a closer look at the condition and treatment screen of an object record. Condition reports, treatment reports, and treatment proposals all contain the same fields. For the purposes of this example, we'll use a condition report. First, navigate to the object record you'd like to add a condition report to. Then, click on the Condition and Treatment screen. To add a new condition report, click Add Condition Report. Once the Quick Add screen opens, add a short description of the condition report. For reference, use the Condition Report and Glossary template on ANSM's website. This is linked in our CollectiveAccess Manual as well. I'm just going to type in examination for now. The next field allows you to indicate who completed the condition report. Type in the name of the person that completed the examination or condition report into the examiner's field. If an entity record for the person already exists, their name will appear in the drop-down menu. Then just select their name. If an entity record for the person does not exist, the message "No match is found for the name you've input" will appear in the drop-down menu. You will need to first complete an entity record for that examiner before completing the condition report. For the sake of this example, I'm just going to type in the name Emma, and we'll pretend that Emma Gascoigne completed this condition report. If I'd like to add an additional examiner, I can click the Add Examiner button, and then complete the same steps as before. The next step is to give the object a condition rating from the drop-down menu. These can range from excellent to very poor. Then type in the date that the object was examined in the examination date field. You can type this in manually or select the calendar icon and click on the date. If there are any condition documentation files or images you'd like to add, you can use this next section here to complete that information. You can select Choose File, which will open up your file browser on your computer, and then upload those files directly into CollectiveAccess. You can indicate when that file was created and any additional notes you have. To add any more condition documentation, you can select Add Condition Documentation and complete the same steps as before. The Objects Examined field will auto-populate with the accession number of the object you've just created a condition report for once that you've clicked Save. If other objects were examined on the same condition report, type in their accession numbers here. Once that you are done, click the Add Condition Report button at the top right of the Quick Add screen. Then you'll click Save, and you're all done.